So this is our new apartment. We've just arrived in Salzburg, and this is our nice apartment. Nice chandelier and lights, big window with views of the mostly apartments but mountains at the back. Dining table, chairs, extra sleeping area, sofa. Nice parquet floor, I think. I don't know if it's real or not. Big wardrobe. Large TV with cable, more wardrobe space, and this is the entrance. Large tub, towels, shower gel, etc. Cooker, washing machine, fridge, nice decorations, pots on cleaning. No, this is like, what is this? Yeah, this is slippers. So many slippers. So yeah. Again. Open the window. This place is very close to the Salzburg main train station and all the bus station, all the buses you have, they go everywhere, and multicultural area.